Hello friends, good evening. So in today's video we'll discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty and US market analysis for coming few days. Some important astro events are happening and we'll just see how markets are going to react for these. The first and the most important thing is today Mercury is changing sign. Now Mercury is very important for Nifty, it is very important for Reliance, it is very important for all the petroleum stocks and it has a good amount of impact on S&P 500 also. Now this whenever this Mercury changes direction, see here, not direction, the ingress, moving from one zodiac to another zodiac. Last time it happened here, then it happened here, then it happened here, it happened here. So you can see some really nice moves, trending moves come into the market. So this is something which we need to be mindful about. So if today's high is broken, which is around 17,450, then we can see some decent up move in the market, and the low of today, which is around 17,300. If this gets broken, then we can see a decent fall also. This is the first thing. Now let me quickly show you the impact of this, Mercury ingress. Before that, let me quickly show you this on S&P 500 also. Just give me a minute. I'll just share my screen. Now this is a chart of S&P 500. See here, last time it happened here, and the very next day it made a top, and from there a decent correction. This was a short-term bottom and a good rally, a kind of a bottom, again a top here and a fall. So Mercury has a very very good impact on S&P 500 and index. Now the next important thing which is happening is Venus and Jupiter are going into conjunction. Now, Venus and Jupiter also play a very, very vital role on the market. So, let me just quickly show you that also how Venus and Jupiter has a impact on our market. So, this is I've just applied Venus and Jupiter here. Yeah, so it came here exactly on second. Now let's go when it was last time. Last time it happened here. It almost formed a bottom and a rally for 2 to 3 days, and this is a very rare event. It doesn't happen so frequently. From there it was a top, and then we had a decent correction in the market. So now let me quickly show you on Nifty also how it is performing. Here we have a chart of Bank Nifty. Now let's quickly show you how, because Jupiter impacts banking, so that is why it is very very important. See here, exact top, from there a decent fall, so it generally leads to a good trending move in the market. So when Mercury, Venus, two important, see perfect bottom and 3 days of a very decent rally. So these days act as a good trigger, and from there a good rise before the COVID crash. So these happens like once or twice in a year only. So whenever they happen, you tend to see some really decent moves in the market. So yeah, so these are the two important things which is happening from astro perspective. Now let's quickly go and look at the price levels also. So this is Nifty. Nifty, like I've told you, this is musical octave. So 17,326, it is just trading around these points here and there. So probably we need a close above 17,326 to move towards 826. I mean, which is a long-term target. And if this is not breached, then we can see a fall till 16. It is just in the middle of the band. This is one thing. And if I look at the moving averages, another day which it has closed below 200-day moving average. Now generally price whipsaws around, see here, it closed about this, then below this, then above this. So it continues doing that. So we need a firm close 1 or 2 days above or below this for a good move. And now let's quickly look at the Gann levels, so which can be used for trading. So again it is holding on to this, so fresh short should be taken below 17,274 for a move towards 1712, and longs above, if 274 is held, then 538 will be our first target, then 804. Now let's quickly move on to Bank Nifty also. So for Bank Nifty, it's holding on the middle of the line, which is 14,450, and on upside it needs to close above 4853. Now 853 is important because I think somewhere near that we have our 20-day moving average also. So yeah, these are crucial levels which needs to be watched out for. And apart from that, nothing major, like market has been totally sideways. So probably with these two astro events coming together, we should see some decent trending move into the market. So let's see whether it comes or not. The levels are clearly defined. Rest all I'll share on my website. So yeah, that's about it. I wish you guys all the best. Let's see how these astro events impact the market. Thank you.